Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today's video is about this saying idiom: where there is smoke, there is fire. Or there is another thing, another version which says no smoke without fire. Okay, so if somewhere there is a fire, then you can see the smoke. So if you see smoke, you know that something's burning. Okay, the place is burning, or food is burning, or something like this. So smoke is a sign for the fire. Okay, and this is used to talk about things that people say. So when people say something, there should be a reason behind that. Okay, so this is used to talk about mainly rumors. It is about rumors, gossip, these kind of things. You hear people are talking about a certain person, and they say, yeah, he has done this and that, I don't know, something. Okay, and then you have no evidence, you don't know really if he has done it or not, but you hear from a couple of people, or 3, 4, 5, I don't know, some people, and then you think there should be a reason why all these people say this. Okay, so then we say there should be something over there that people say this. So people saying is like the smoke for the fire, which is the person's actions. Most probably this person has done something, that's why people are talking about this. Okay, so that is used to talk about rumors mainly, things that are heard and can't be really proven, but based on what people say, based on majority, the opinion of majority, we decide, we think that, yeah, it should be right, should be the case. Okay, of course, I myself do not believe in that, and I do not say that you have to believe in it or not. It's totally up to you. I myself have seen lots of people saying things about certain people which has never been true, but people like to talk, so they talk however they like. And the thing is, this is always about negative things. Okay, if someone says something good about me and others are not bothered, say okay, so what? But if someone says something bad about me, then they say there should be a reason. When there is smoke, there is fire. This guy should have done that. Yeah, I think so. Then they agree on that subject. Okay, now let's look at these examples, see if this will help understand this whole topic. People like to think where there is smoke, there is fire. So they will always believe that you were involved even if you weren't. So you were not involved in something, but when people say that you were involved, and because they hear it from other people as well, they also believe in this, so they say, yeah, he should have been involved. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, why all people say this? So this should be right. So this is it. The other one. Before Tom was arrested for driving drunk, he had been in a lot of trouble at school as well. I guess where there is smoke, there is fire. So this guy is arrested for driving drunk, and we have heard about his past, being in a lot of trouble at the school and these kind of things. So we can now put the pieces together, the pieces of the puzzle, and work it out. And we find out that yes, this guy is a troublemaker, and when people say he's making troubles, there it should be right. It should be the case, because we can see also that he is arrested for this. So lots of evidence are there to suggest that, to prove that this smoke means fire. Okay, so I guess where there's smoke, there is fire. And over here, another person says, she says the accusations are not true, but where there is smoke, there is fire. So this person says that things that people are telling about her, negative things that people say about her or her family or her clients or whatever, is not true, or those things are not true, but they write out the sentence, the person who says this disagrees with her opinion, puts but in the middle, and puts his own opinion over here. Where there is smoke, there is fire. So when there are accusations, so the person should be guilty. Okay? So based on this, if someone says that you have done something wrong, you have to say, I don't know, but as you say so, because you say so, it should be right. Yeah, I think, I don't know, I was not there, but yeah, it should be my fault. I don't know. Because whenever there's smoke, there's fire. When people say that, then hands up. I agree. So, I don't know, this is the expression, this is the thing said, I believe, for a long time. So, I don't know if you believe in it or not, but whichever, this is the expression. This is the way we use it in English. Well, should have some similar things in other languages as well. If you know the one similar to this one in your language, the equivalent, if you could comment it below the video, it would be great. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next. See you then. Bye.